Welcome to Digi-Key Tools Xpress. I'd like to take a few moments to demonstrate the capabilities of the new parametric tool search on Tools Xpress. There are four basic methods for finding tools on Tools Xpress, and I'd like to go through them very quickly. The first, and perhaps the most obvious, is if you know the tool order number or even part of the tool order number, and I'm going to type in demo 9 SO8 and hit search. You get a list of 17 products, all containing that string. If you further narrow that down, adding to the string, the search interface finds a unique entry and it will go to the detail page of that product. Anytime the search engine finds one result, it'll go straight to the detail page. From anywhere on Digi-Key Tools Xpress or Embedded Developer, clicking on the parametric search tools will bring you back to the home page and the search engine. So now let's look at the second method for finding a development tool. If you know the processor part number you're interested in. So if we type in a processor part number, let's choose the LPC111, and that isn't a complete part number, but if I put in a partial processor part number and hit search, the search interface returns a list of candidates with complete part numbers for me to choose a complete processor part number. I choose the 1111FH, and these are all the tools associated with it. With any search, we can narrow down the search by deciding what type of tool we want to search and we want to find. Evaluation boards seems a reasonable one here, so let me qualify it with evaluation boards. And here I have two evaluation boards from two different manufacturers. If I select the tool name, I go again to the summary page where I can see ordering information. I have data sheets. There's even a free download of software on this page. So let's go back and look at another method of searching for development tools. The third method, if you don't know the actual processor part number, you may know the processor family you're interested in. So if we go to the top left hand corner and we choose the silicon manufacturer Atmel and we look at their processor families and we choose the AP7000, we can hit search, and this will give all the tools related to the AP7000 family from Atmel. Again, all searches can be qualified in a number of ways. Here we can decide which tool provider we're interested in. So let's narrow this down to Atmel. Logically, they will have some. And we get 7 tools. We can even narrow it down further and get a number of tools of type evaluation board, and this string here explains the details of your search. We can select any number of these or use this shortcut to select them all and compare them side by side, and this will give you the price, whether they're in stock, and a little more information about each one of them so you can compare. Let's go back, let's reset this search and look at another way of searching for development tools. The final way to search for development tools is if you don't know a processor family but you do know the architecture that is of interest. So we can choose ARM as an architecture and the architecture variant Cortex M3, and we can search there, and this will give us 89 tools that all support the Cortex M3. Because it's an architecture, it wouldn't be unreasonable for us to look at IDEs that support this architecture. So we further qualify it, and again we get a reduced set of results. These are compilers, IDEs, which support ARM Cortex M3. So there we have 4 methods to search for development tools. If you know the tool order number or part thereof, if you know the processor you're interested in or part thereof, if you know the processor family, or if you know the core architecture, you can zero in on the products, the tools available, and then purchase them from Digi-Key. I hope this has been of help. If you have any need of assistance, if you go to the bottom of the page, you'll find a feedback button. Feel free to give us your feedback. Thank you very much.